it's extremely good. I was one person who was like, from the time I have joined, I was like seeing this mail for the servant leadership program, but I was like a little hesitant, because I was not knowing really what it is all about. But I have registered, and I really feel that it is really worth attending the session, the 2-day session. To answer the first question, yes, this is like I'm pretty new to this one. I have never gone through any such sessions and kind of that, and it's a very new concept for me. But I seriously feel it has very much relevance, especially in like a profit-based organization like UST, because this is something that we have to go through. Then only we can really understand the need for being a servant, like a leader to being a servant, and how you should treat your team, understand from their feet, things of that sort. It is more like you can what I was like really going through is, when the session was going through, I was really like correlating with what is really happening in my team, and what I was really not doing, what I could have done better. So that is what I was really going through. So for me, it is really a worth session. I seriously suggest everyone should go through it at some point of time. Absolutely. I think the concept itself is saying like, it is not like talking about you, right? It is talking about your team, or maybe others, or maybe whomever is like surrounding you. So that is what the whole concept is, right? So wherein you are going to start thinking about people around you rather than just focusing on you. For example, being in a team, maybe we always focus on our growth, maybe our salary, like how we can get into the next stage, right? We never think about like our fellow beings, or maybe our reportees. We don't, definitely we have like a attachment to them, and we might help them, but that is not your real focus at many point of time. But
absolutely,
this is something that I have learned from here. Like, yeah, why can't you start focusing on their growth as well? Do something that you can do from your side to help them grow as well along with you, right? So that is something that I have learned personally, and throughout the session I was like correlating in this way. And especially like it is, rather than just making it like an online training or kind of that, right? Making it a classroom training really helped us, because we are like taken away from that daily routine, then putting into this one. So that's a very good thought actually.